Island vacations are among the nicest things to do in the summer, as you probably well know. They enable you to thoroughly unwind and refresh, as well as take some much-needed time away from the stresses of daily life. Knowing what to bring for them, on the other hand, might be stressful. That is why we have compiled a tropical holiday packing list. If you stick to this list, you may rest confident that you will not forget anything. Prepare to load your bags and head to the beach for a week of relaxation. So here are the things you need for your tropical weekend trip. Number 1. Sunscreen. On a tropical trip, when you'll be outside in the sun all day, sunscreen is a requirement. The sun is not only terrible for your skin, but it may also make the remainder of your journey unpleasant. Everyone wants to return from vacation tanned, not lobster red. The agony and suffering are not worth it. A sunscreen is ideal for protecting both your skin and your entire family from sunburn. If you plan on spending the entire day in the sun, remember to reapply. You'll want one that offers good protection and is manufactured with natural components, with an SPF of at least 50. Number 2. Sun hat or bucket hat. Sitting on the beach and soaking up the sun is the epitome of an island holiday. Of course, if you're going to do so, you'll want to protect not just your skin with sunscreen, but also your face from the sun's harmful rays. A sun hat is an absolute essential, especially if you want to spend a lot of time outside. This sun hat will not only shield your face from UV damage and wrinkles, but it will also help you seem younger. It's also easy to pack in your suitcase. Number 3. Underwater camera. The profusion of sea creatures is one of the finest aspects of island living. The distinctive and colorful fish off the shore will wow you, and the best way to capture such a wonderful moment is with an underwater camera. Vacationing with an underwater camera may be a lot of fun. It's a terrific way to keep track of your travels and remember them for years to come. Enjoy taking selfies with fish, each other, and shots of the incredible marine life. It's also a wonderful camera to use on vacation in general, if you're afraid about ruining a beautiful one. Number 4. Beach bag. Since you'll be leaving your suitcase back at your hotel, you'll need an additional bag that you can walk around with that can hold all of your beach essentials. After all, that's something you definitely won't want to track back to your hotel. It's spacious and has additional pockets for separating your belongings. The best thing about this bag is it is easy to fold up and put in your suitcase, so it won't take up a lot of room. Number 5. Waterproof bag. If you'll be performing any water sports, a compact waterproof bag is a must. Nothing is more frustrating than going on a sunset cruise and then falling in the ocean with all of your possessions, as I have experienced. A waterproof backpack with a shoulder strap is ideal, since it is easy to carry. Maintaining the cleanliness of your towel, clothing, and most importantly, your phone. Number 6. Rashguard. When you're spending time in and out of the water on your trip, a Rashguard can help you avoid rashes and sunburn. These are temperature controlled, so you'll always be comfortable, regardless of the heat or wind, and they're especially beneficial for sun-sensitive people. Rash guards are occasionally worn beneath wetsuits to minimize chafing and provide some sun protection, as well as some protection from jellyfish stings. A rash guard can also assist avoid discomfort from fast contact with surface water and waves. Number 7. Documents. You can't have a tropical holiday packing list without including your visa, ID, and other travel documents like your flight number, itinerary, and hotel information. You should always go with paper copies of travel papers, including passport, even if it's old school. You never know what may happen or when you will want their assistance. Keeping things nice and organized is also a smart idea. Number 8. Travel pillow. Travel pillows are ideal for sleeping on the plane, making those grueling flights a bit more bearable. They're also great to have while sunning on the beach. Travel pillows make room for a more pleasant journey. Number 9. Adapter. You may or may not require a power adapter to plug in your gadgets at your tropical destination, depending on where you're going. A worldwide power adapter may be used in over 100 countries and will be useful not only on your tropical holiday, but also on future excursions. Number 10. Backpack. Aside from your beach bag, you may want to invest in a backpack that can accommodate all of your belongings while being lightweight. If you intend on performing any outdoor activities or simply taking long walks, a backpack will come in helpful because it is much simpler to carry than a bag on one shoulder. A backpack is ideal for carrying your belongings on a plane and as a personal bag throughout your island holiday. It's water-resistant, lightweight, and comes in a variety of colors. They're ideal when you're going to be active and as a carry-on for the airline. Number 11. Portable charger. You don't want your phone to die in an unfamiliar exotic location. In the event of an emergency, it's important to carry a portable charger with you. You'll always have your camera on hand for those spectacular sunset photographs. If you don't have the proper outlet adapters, it's also an excellent method to charge your phone. A small, fast-charging portable charger for your battery. It's also quite compact and easy to transport while you're out and about. Number 12. Sunglasses. Choose sunglasses that are more functional than fashionable. Make sure they filter out at least 75% of visible light and block at least 99% of the sun's dangerous UVA and UVB rays. It's tempting to purchase counterfeit designer sunglasses in renowned tourist spots, but these sunglasses are rarely up to par. Invest in a good pair of sunglasses and treat them well. Number 13. Sanitary Products. This is largely a question of personal taste. Period products are used by women all around the world, although in some places, the product you choose may not be available. Tampons, for example, are tough to come by. Furthermore, the quality of sanitary items in some nations may be low. Number 14. Flipflops. Because it is hot and humid, tropical weather is terrible on your feet. The only footwear you'll like to wear at the beach or around the pool are flip-flops, shorts that are both comfortable and long-lasting. We prefer to keep cool on our tropical travels by wearing lightweight short shorts. Even the most sun-kissed legs require a vacation from the sun. On a tropical vacation, always include a pair of linen or linen-cotton mixed trousers. On chilly evenings, or if you have sunburn or bug bites, you'll be pleased you have a pair of trousers. Number 15. Compression bags. Don't bother with packing boxes. Compression bags are a good option if you want to preserve room in your backpack. They eliminate all of the air from your suitcase so you can pack more. They may save up to 80% of space and don't require a vacuum. Simply close the bag and squeeze out all of the air before rolling it tightly to fit inside your luggage. You'll thank us later for this packing tip. This is also a terrific idea to segregate soiled and dry clothes into multiple bags during your tropical trip. Number 16. Cash. Most importantly, you need money. Traveling with cash in the currency of the place you'll be going is significantly easier. It's a terrific alternative payment option because you won't have to worry about your card being declined or hacked. If you're in a small town, some businesses may not accept credit cards, so bring cash. It's crucial to have some on hand just in case. As the saying goes, cash reigns supreme. Preparing for a tropical holiday is a thrilling experience. In fact, many people think warm weather destinations are some of their absolute favorites. From trips to the beautiful Caribbean island of Nevis to spending a month in Bali, tropical vacations are sure fun to experience. Few things compare to that excited sensation as you board a plane going for some sunshine. Did you know that people enjoy tropical trips not because of the beaches? It's the immersive culture, warmth, and hospitality of the people that counts to tourists. Thanks for watching. We'll see each other again in the next video.